What's up, everybody? Today, 6 count burpees. I'm gonna do it for 20 minutes. The first half is gonna be focused on more of getting my form right, finding a rhythm, and then hopefully we can pick up the pace as we go. Got me a new phone, so wanting to see how the recording looks on it. So if you want, join in with me. We're gonna do 20 minutes, as many as we can do, and that's it. So get ready. If you've been trying the burpees, it's a great routine for a full body workout. Get you tight in the abs, get your chest feeling good, get the arms pumped up, and even get some lats going. So, and legs also. So here we go. 20 minutes, as many as you can do. Let's go. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 60. 61. 63. 64. 65. 66. 67. 68. 69. 70. 1. 71. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 80 reps. It's not quite as hot down here today. We got a little break from the heat, so very low humidity. I can breathe a little bit better. Five, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 98, 99, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 105. At this point, you should be starting to feel it pretty good. Heart rate should be getting up. If you're faster than me, you're a beast. If you're slower than me, you're still a beast. Just go at your own pace. 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 118.
19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30.
All right, 130. A little sip of water. And some deep breaths. And 1, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 141. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 155. Quick breather. 155. Hey. Six. 57. 58. 59. 60. 61. 62. 63. 64. 65. 67. 68. 9. 70. 170. 72. Come on, y'all, keep pushing with me. We're at 176. Sorry, that's nasty. 180. 181. 82. 83. Let me get some water. 83, 183. 183. We got 5 more minutes to go. Ninety-three, 94, 95, 96, 200. Short little break. 200 reps. 3.5 more minutes. Make sure you're breathing. Oh God. 211. Come on. 22. 23. 24. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 30. 32.
36. 37. 38. 40. 42. All right. 242 or 243 at the 20-minute mark. I'm gonna hit I'm gonna hit 7 or 8 more just to get to 250. Ooh.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right. Here we go. If you follow along, this should be a really good workout for you. Like I said, it's only 20 minutes. I'm inspired by the Busy Dad training program. All he hits is burpees 4 times a week, 20 minutes each time. But the goal is, if you're only gonna do 20 minutes, you gotta push yourself pretty hard. So even on a cool day, my heart rate was well above 170, even 180. So give this a try. Let me know if you like it. This is the regular burpees. I'll post another Navy SEAL burpee workout coming up soon. And then another thing I've been doing is every once in a while just hitting 100 pull-ups. That way we get some more bicep action, because the burpees hitting everything except for really, you know, your bicep, maybe a little bit of your back, but for the most part the burpees hitting every muscle group. Give it a try. Thank y'all for supporting me. Please like this video, comment, and most importantly subscribe. Help me get to that 200 number, and then hopefully we can get to about 500 by the end of the year. That's just one of my goals. So hit the notification bell, like and subscribe. Have a good workout. Have a great day. I appreciate y'all.